So let's start. Our first letter is A. Its sound is apple. Now our next letter is B. My sound is B. Ball. Our next letter is C. Its sound is G. Cat. Now our next letter is D. Its sound is D. Dog. Now our next letter is E. Its sound is A. Elephant. Now our next letter is F. Its sound is fish. Now our next letter is G. Its sound is girl. Now our next letter is H. Its sound is horse. Now our next letter is I. Its sound is igloo. Now our next letter is J. Its sound is jug. Now our next letter is K. Its sound is kite. Now our next letter is L. Its sound is lion. Now our next letter is N. Its sound is mango. Now our next letter is N. Its sound is nose. Now our next letter is O. Its sound is ostrich. Now our next letter is P. Its sound is parrot. Now our next letter is Q. Its sound is queen. Next letter is R. Its sound is rabbit. Now our next letter is S. Its sound is ship. Now our next letter is T. Its sound is tiger. Now our next letter is U. Its sound is umbrella. Now our next letter is V. Its sound is van. Now our next letter is W. Its sound is watch. Now our next letter is X. Its sound is box. Now our next letter is Y. Its sound is yo-yo. Our last letter is Z. Its sound is zebra. Thank you. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.